Let's be real, we all want what's best for our feline overlords, and that starts with a healthy, balanced diet. Today, we're diving into how you can ensure your feline friend gets the best nutrition possible, going beyond just filling up their bowl. Get ready to unleash your inner cat chef and learn how to make mealtime perfect.
We all know cats can be picky eaters. It's almost like they have a sixth sense for detecting anything less than perfect in their food. But what if I told you that taking control of your cat's diet could be the key to a healthier, happier life for them? Imagine your cat playing joyfully in the garden, stretching out in the sun with a contented look on their face. It all starts with what you put in their bowl. Now, I'm not talking about just giving them scraps from your plate. While it might be tempting to share your meal with your furry friend, it's not always the best option. Cats have specific dietary needs that human food often doesn't meet. We're talking about fresh, whole foods prepared with your cat's specific needs in mind. Think about the difference between a fast food burger and a home-cooked meal made with fresh ingredients. The same principle applies to your cat's diet. Think about it. You get to handpick every ingredient, ensuring your furry friend is getting the highest quality protein, healthy fats, and essential vitamins and minerals. No more mystery meats, no more fillers, just pure natural goodness. When you prepare their food yourself, you know exactly what's going into it. It's a level of control that commercial cat food simply can't offer. Start with simple recipes and gradually work your way up. You'll find that cooking for your cat can be a fun and rewarding experience. There are tons of resources available online, and even cookbooks dedicated to creating delicious and nutritious meals for your feline friend. From step-by-step videos to detailed guides, you'll have all the help you need to get started. And the best part? You'll be amazed at the difference a fresh food diet can make. Shinier coat? Check. More energy? You bet. Your cat will look and feel better, and you'll notice the positive changes in their behavior and overall well-being. Even those pesky litter box issues might just become a thing of the past. A healthier diet can lead to better digestion and fewer problems with the litter box. Plus, there's nothing more rewarding than seeing your cat gobble up a meal you prepared with love, and maybe a little catnip on the side. It's a special bond that forms when you take the time to care for their dietary needs. So, are you ready to ditch the processed kibble and unleash your inner cat chef? It's a journey worth taking, and your cat will thank you for it with every purr and playful leap. Let's make every meal a celebration of health and happiness for our beloved feline friends.
We've talked about the amazing benefits of fresh food, but even the most dedicated cat chef needs a little help sometimes. Fresh food is fantastic, providing a wealth of nutrients straight from nature. However, there are instances where even the best diet might fall short. This is where the role of supplements becomes crucial. They act as a safety net, ensuring that your feline friend gets everything they need to stay healthy and happy. That's where supplements come in. They are designed to fill those nutritional gaps that might be missing from your cat's diet. Whether it's due to the quality of the food, the specific needs of your cat, or just the natural variations in nutrient content, supplements can provide that extra assurance. Now, before you go running to the pet store and loading up your cart, remember, every cat is different. It's easy to get overwhelmed by the sheer variety of supplements available. From vitamins and minerals to herbal extracts and probiotics, the choices can be daunting. But it's important to remember that not all supplements are created equal, and what works for one cat might not work for another. Just like us, they have unique needs. Age, breed, lifestyle, even those quirky personality traits can influence what nutrients they need to thrive. For instance, a young, active cat might need different supplements compared to an older, more sedentary one. Similarly, a cat with a specific health condition might require targeted support that a healthy cat does not. That's why it's crucial to talk to your vet before starting any supplement regimen. Your vet can help you understand your cat's specific needs and recommend the right supplements. They can also guide you on the correct dosage, ensuring that your cat gets the benefits without any risk of overdose or adverse effects. Think of supplements like a customized vitamin pack for your cat. Just as we might take a multivitamin to cover our nutritional bases, supplements can do the same for your cat. They can provide essential nutrients that might be missing from their diet, helping to support their overall health and well-being. Are they getting up there in years? Glucosamine and chondroitin can help support joint health. These supplements can make a significant difference in the quality of life for older cats, helping to keep them active and comfortable as they age. Indoor cat. Taurine is essential for vision and heart function. Indoor cats might not get as much taurine from their diet as outdoor cats, so a supplement can help ensure they maintain good eye health and a strong heart. Shedding like crazy? Omega-3 fatty acids can help with skin and coat health. These fatty acids are known for their anti-inflammatory properties and can help reduce shedding, making your cat's coat shinier and healthier. See what I mean? Supplements can be a game changer. They can address specific health concerns and improve your cat's overall quality of life. But it's important to use them wisely and in conjunction with a balanced diet. But remember, it's all about balance. Supplements should complement a healthy diet, not replace it. Fresh food should always be the foundation of your cat's nutrition, with supplements providing that extra boost where needed. Too much of a good thing can be harmful, so work with your vet to determine the right dosage and type of supplement for your cat's specific needs. Over-supplementation can lead to health issues, so it's crucial to get professional advice. Think of it as teamwork. You provide the awesome fresh food, and supplements provide that extra boost to keep your cat feeling their absolute best. Together, you and your vet can create a nutrition plan that ensures your cat gets everything they need to live a long, healthy, and happy life.
We've covered a lot of ground today, from the benefits of fresh food to the power of supplements. Fresh food can provide essential nutrients that are often lost in processed cat food. Supplements, on the other hand, can fill in any nutritional gaps, ensuring your cat gets everything they need to thrive. But here's the thing, every cat is an individual. Just like humans, cats have their own unique preferences, tolerances, and nutritional needs. Some cats might thrive on a diet rich in fish, while others might have allergies or sensitivities that require a different approach. What works wonders for one might not be the best for another. This is why it's so important to pay attention to your cat's specific needs and reactions to different foods. Observing their behavior, energy levels, and overall health can give you valuable insights into what diet suits them best. That's where your veterinarian comes in, your cat's personal nutritionist. They are trained to understand the complexities of feline nutrition and can provide expert advice tailored to your cat's unique requirements. They know your cat's medical history, their quirks, their lifestyle. This comprehensive understanding allows them to recommend the best dietary choices for your cat, whether it's a specific type of food, a particular brand, or a combination of fresh food and supplements. They're the experts who can help you navigate the world of cat nutrition and create a personalized plan that meets their unique needs. This plan can include regular checkups, dietary adjustments, and monitoring to ensure your cat remains healthy and happy. A well-balanced diet can improve their coat, boost their energy levels, and even extend their lifespan. It's an investment in their long-term health and happiness. So, before you make any major changes to your cat's food, schedule a checkup with your vet. This step is crucial because it ensures that any dietary changes are safe and beneficial for your cat. Your vet can provide guidance on portion sizes, feeding schedules, and any specific dietary needs your cat may have. They can assess your cat's overall health, run any necessary tests, and help you create a meal plan that's tailored to their specific needs. This personalized approach can prevent potential health issues and address any existing conditions, ensuring your cat gets the best possible care. Remember, a healthy cat is a happy cat, and it all starts with a balanced and nutritious diet. By working closely with your vet, you can ensure that your cat enjoys a long, healthy, and joyful life. So take the time to invest in their nutrition, and you'll see the benefits in their vitality and happiness every day.
So there you have it, folks. We've journeyed beyond the bowl, exploring the ins and outs of optimizing your cat's nutrition. Remember, providing the best possible diet for your feline friend is an act of love. By understanding their unique needs and working with your trusted veterinarian, you can help your cat live a longer, healthier, and happier life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on keeping your pets healthy and happy.